Well, the wind has changed direction slightly. It's now coming more from the south-southwest rather than just due south. The camera is facing west, just for reference. And you see there's some trees right outside my window, but there are palm trees and probably just going to thrash around a lot. I don't think there's an angle to do much damage to my place anyway. He says optimistically. It's a little calmer is because I have downed a third of a glass of red wine in the last handful of minutes. It could just be a placebo effect, but what the hell. This is an interesting selection of music. Hamlet comes on after Tom Schnabel at 3. And frankly, I like her stuff a lot better. It's not quite so preciously old-fashioned. I say that, now this cool song comes on. Sorry, Tom. The last hour has been preciously old-fashioned. Now it's cool. This is the kind of stuff that Anne programs too. I'm usually listening to when I'm running around on Sunday afternoon. I'm going to Barracks, whose patio is probably somewhere in Desert Hot Springs at this point. All the Tom of Finland cutout characters painted on wood. I can just imagine them sailing through the sky like an even gayer Wizard of Oz. All right. I'll leave it to the audience of this video to discuss what kind of ending to the Wizard of Oz would happen if Palm Springs got picked up and blown into an alternate universe. An even more alternate one than it exists in now.